Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Buy Me a Coffee page. So if you want your creator page to look more professional, branded, and trustworthy, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, log into your dashboard and go to your profile settings. Here you can change your display name, username, and bio. Yeah, your bio is super important because it tells visitors who you are and what you do in just a few seconds. Next, upload a clear profile picture or your brand logo. Try to keep it consistent with your social media so people instantly recognize you. This small step actually builds a lot of trust with your audience. Now add a cover image at the top of your page. You can also write a short one-liner about what you do. I mean, this is what visitors see first, so keep it clean, simple, and focused on your content. Next, go into the customization settings where you can adjust colors, button style, and even change the coffee icon to match your brand. Yeah, this helps your page feel more unique instead of looking like every other creator page. Now add your social media links like YouTube, Instagram, or X. You can also feature a video or important post at the top of your page so new visitors immediately see your best content. Finally, organize your sidebar. You can highlight what matters most like support, memberships, or shop. I mean, keeping things simple helps visitors understand your page faster and increases engagement. And that's basically it. You now know how to customize your Buy Me a Coffee page in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you make your creator page look more professional and ready for supporters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.